Hi everyone, hope you had a wonderful week. This is Victoria from crushcrypto.com and welcome to this week's market update on the crypto space. The market was generally soft during the week but started recovering towards the end of it. Bitcoin fell 11% to under $12,000 but has moved up 4% in trading today. Ether prices were more resilient this week with a decline of just 4% and is now up 13% in trading today to over $1,200. Most of the other major coins including Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Litecoin, NEM and Iota ended the week with double-digit declines but has also showed recovery in the past few days. Stellar outperformed the other major coins with a 15% weekly gain. A few days ago, the team published a 2018 roadmap on their blog. Their two main focuses this year include building SDEX, short for the Stellar Decentralized Exchange, and integrating Lightning Network on Stellar. Most of the major tokens also corrected this week. Tron, VeChain, Icon, Omesago, and Binance Coin all had double-digit declines in the past week and had mixed performance today. Icon recovered pretty quickly in the last few days with a 19% increase today alone. A few days ago, Icon launched the first version of its mainnet and successfully generated the Genesis block of its mainnet as planned. Walton outperformed this week with a 53% weekly gain. The token was officially listed on the crypto exchange SwiftCoin, which may have helped boost trading volumes. Populous also outperformed with a 25% increase over the week with a further 20% in trading today. The team released screenshots of the beta for their peer-to-peer invoice finance platform, which looks quite promising. And on to this week's developments in the crypto space. One of the biggest news this week was the massive hack on Coincheck, a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange. Hackers took more than 58 billion yen in NEM coins, roughly $535 million at the time. This makes the Coincheck hack greater than the dollar amount stolen from Mt. Gox in 2014, which was around $340 million. In a press conference after the incident, Coincheck management said that the NEM coins were held in a hot wallet instead of cold storage, which means the coins were not held offline. Because the incident was due to poor security measures by Coincheck, there will not be a hard fork for NEM. Coincheck will instead be refunding the stolen money to affected users by using the exchange's own capital. They will also continue to stay in business instead of declaring bankruptcy. In just a few hours after the hack was announced, developers behind NEM created an automated system to follow the stolen money. They will work on preventing the stolen funds from being cashed out or converted to other cryptocurrencies through trading platforms. Robinhood, a US brokerage, announced it will begin to offer free Bitcoin and Ethereum trading on its free stock trading app soon. Starting in February this year, the service will be enabled for users in 5 US states. At the moment, all users can track prices and receive alerts for 16 cryptocurrencies on the Robinhood app. One of the co-founders also stated that Robinhood will be connecting up to a dozen or more exchanges over the next several months. The app was launched about 3 years ago and now has more than 3 million users. Their latest development is good news for people who want to use another exchange aside from Coinbase, which is a leading US crypto exchange. At the moment, Robinhood is still relatively small compared to Coinbase, which has over 13 million users at the moment and has money transmitter licenses in 36 states in the US. On the other hand, the payments platform Stripe announced it would stop supporting Bitcoin in April of this year due to price volatility, high transaction fees, and long confirmation times. Stripe has started taking Bitcoin back in 2014 and was the first major payments company to support Bitcoin payments. According to Stripe, Bitcoin has evolved to become an asset rather than a currency and is unsuitable for transactions that need to resolve in seconds or minutes. While Stripe has ended support for Bitcoin, the company is considering supporting Stellar, which they have a stake in. They are also optimistic with Omesago, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, and will add support for cryptocurrencies and new distributed protocols in the future if there is customer demand for them. The South Korean financial regulator, the Financial Services Commission, announced that investors in South Korea will need to use real-name bank accounts in order to continue trading in cryptocurrencies. The new KYC rule means investors can only deposit funds to trade cryptocurrencies if their name in an exchange matches the name on their bank accounts. The government also provided new anti-money laundering guidelines to the crypto exchanges to track any illegal activity. The new rules come into effect starting from January 30th of this year. Meanwhile, the South Korean Communications Commission found a number of crypto exchanges in South Korea to have insufficient customer data protection. The commission sanctioned 8 crypto exchanges for failing privacy tests and imposed a small fine on each exchange. The commission ordered the exchanges to stop all violations immediately, and the exchanges are required to make corrections within 30 days and report back the results. The Commission also plans to provide guidelines and regular education for any exchange officer in charge of personal information protection. Privacy protection measures will become even more important now that South Korea has banned anonymous crypto trading and strengthened their KYC requirements. The chairman of Starbucks, Howard Schultz, says he believes digital currency will catch on with consumers, but not necessarily Bitcoin. He said that Starbucks is well positioned as cryptocurrency becomes more prevalent among consumers. Starbucks is not planning to launch its own cryptocurrency at the moment, but the chairman appears to be hinting something when he says a trusted consumer brand with brick-and-mortar locations will help bring legitimacy and trust to cryptocurrency. He personally believes that there will be one or a few legitimate trusted digital currencies off of blockchain technology in the future. Thank you very much for watching this week's market update video. Please check out our weekly report at crushcrypto.com for more info and links to other articles and news from this week. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you again next week.